Hi friends, my name is Arun. Today I'm talking about the Viator Trip Advisory Company travel product Grand Canyon Helicopter Tour, which is located in Clark County, US. This is very attractive historical places for tourists. Every year, tourists visiting these places. Some people decide and plan to trip, but they have not decided where we booking trip. And Grand Canyon Helicopter Tour with camping tours. In this video, I'm talking about the how to booking Grand Canyon Helicopter Tour and describe what's included in this trip. The Grand Canyon, who is provided we depart from either Las Vegas or Boulder City, and will board our round-trip helicopter ride of a lifetime as we soar 4,000 feet, 1219 meters below the west rim of a Grand Canyon. You will enjoy breathtaking view of Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, Grapevine Mesa, Joshua Tree, and the Grand Wash Cliffs Wilderness. Our acknowledgeable pilot will provide a running commentary throughout the flight, so you don't miss a thing. At the end of your trip, you will be rewarded with a camping picnic on the canyon floor. It was to your incredible journey. Please note that March 21, 2022, there will be starter 25 per man. Now come to the what's including in this trip. Experience the majestic beauty of Grand Canyon from a whole new perspective with a helicopter tour. Departing from the Las Vegas Boulder City, solar above Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, then touch down on the floor of the Grand Canyon for a picnic. Enjoy a light meal and camping amid the canyon walls, completed with expert narration from your pilot about the features that make this site one of the most stunning places on earth. Choose from morning, afternoon, sunset departure time of the perfect way to experience the Grand Canyon grandeur. Book your adventure today and take flight over the most magnificent sights in the southwest. It is a 35-minute flight and including camping and a light picnic. There is a optional Vegas upgrades option that's including 45-minute flight each way, luxury hotel transfer and flight over the Las Vegas Strip. Hotel pickup and drop off is provided by the shuttle bus.